Myself Archana Varude. In last video we studied about optical fiber, how the light will propagate through optical fiber and what are the conditions for propagation of light through optical fiber. And in this video we will study about the types of optical fiber and applications of optical fiber. Here there are main two types of optical fibers, and this optical fiber is divided into these two types. It is based on variation of refractive index of core. First type is known as step index optical fiber and second is graded index optical fiber. And this step index optical fiber, it is again divided into two types and it is divided on the basis of mode of propagation. And first type of step index optical fiber is single mode step index fiber and second is multi-mode step index fiber. Then now we see what is step index optical fiber. In this type, the refractive index of core is uniform throughout the fiber. That means it is same throughout the cable, and thus if we see radially toward from the core axis, there is a step. That means there is a sudden change in the refractive index at the core cladding interface. And the propagation, that means the path of light through the step index optical fiber is zigzag. And here the step index optical fiber, it is again divided into two types and it is on the basis of mode of propagation of light. First type is single mode step index optical fiber and second is multi-mode step index optical fiber. Now we study first single mode step index fiber. In this type, the core diameter of this fiber is very small and it is about 10 micrometer. And as the name suggests, there is only one path for the light propagation, hence it is called single mode and the path is zigzag. And in this type only there is a one zigzag path. Second type is called as multi-mode step index fiber. In this type, the core diameter of the cable is larger than single mode and it is about 50 to 200 micrometer. And as there are many paths for the ray propagation, hence it is called as multi-mode and the paths are zigzag, and that is many paths that are zigzag. And some light paths are longer and some are shorter, and hence some light rays exit later and some rays exit earlier. See this diagram. Here this middle part is called as core and then second is cladding and upper is protective skin or jacket. When light is incident and here there is only total reflection is possible. Total internal reflection is possible. Here this is the first path of this first ray. Then here this is the second path. Okay. And when we observe that, then it looks like a zigzag path. And here that path is zigzag because here some paths are longer and some are shorter. And hence light rays some exit later and some rays exit earlier. And this is called as multi-mode step index optical fiber. Then second part is called as graded index fiber. In this type, refractive index of core is not uniform throughout the cable, that means throughout the fiber, and refractive index of core material at core axis is maximum, and if we see radially outward from the core axis, there is gradual decrease in the refractive index, and thus refractive index of core material at core axis is maximum and it is minimum at core cladding interface. And therefore in graded index optical fiber, because of different refractive indices within the core, the light travels with different speeds through different parts within the core. See this diagram. Here this is middle part is core. The light always propagate through the core. Second layer is called as cladding and third is called as protective skin. And as we see here the refractive index of core material is at core axis is maximum and it is minimum at core cladding interface, and therefore in graded index optical fiber, because of different refractive indices within the core, light travels with different speeds through different parts and it is within the core. See this is the different parts. Then multimode graded index optical fiber. This is the type of graded index optical fiber. In this, core diameter of this fiber varies from 50 to 200 micrometer, and there are many paths for ray propagation and which are curved, and because of different refractive index within core, light travels with different speeds, and longer paths are faster and shorter paths are slower, and therefore all rays reach at same time. See this diagram. Here this is the one path of ray, this is the second path, therefore there are different modes, that means there are different paths, and the longer paths are faster and shorter paths are slower, and therefore all rays reach at same timing. This is called as graded index multiple or multimode fiber. Then now we see what are the applications of optical fiber. Here these optical fiber cables has outstanding properties. They are lighter in weight, less bulky, flexible and carry large data with high speed. So it has many applications. First is it is used in communication. Because of large bandwidth, it can handle number of channels, hence found large applications in communication. Second, it is used in internet. The optical fiber cables pass on huge amount of data, that is too much data with very high speed, and this technology is therefore usually used in internet cables. Then third is it is used in telephone. Using optical fiber communication, we can connect faster and have clear conversations. The next is it is used in sensor. The optical fiber sensors are used to control liquid level, temperature, pressure, chemical concentration, etc. in automation system. For example, if temperature or pressure changes, then length and refractive index of optical fiber changes, and this property is used in temperature or pressure sensors. Then it is used in computer networking. Networking between computers in a same building is made easier and faster with the use of these optical fiber cables. And last is it is used in cable television. These are the applications of optical fiber. Now we see MCQ, multiple choice questions. Question number 1 is based on variation of refractive index of core, the two types of optical fiber are. First option is step index and single mode. Option B is step index and graded index. Option C is graded index and multimode. Option D is single mode and multimode. When we see these all options, these are all types of optical fiber. But when we see the type of optical fiber based on variation of refractive index of core, then there are main two types. First is step index and second is graded index. And therefore correct option is B, step index and graded index. Question number 2 is based on mode of propagation, the two types of optical fiber are. Option A is step index and single mode. Option B is step index and graded index. Option C is graded index and multimode. Option D is single mode and multimode. And as we know that on based of mode of propagation, there are two types of optical fibers and the names are single mode and multimode. Therefore, correct option is D, single mode and multimode. That's all about